Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you maths. So children, take out your maths book, My Mary Book of Maths Primer. So dear students, you take out maths book page number 6. You can see this is the page number 6 is written here. Now, dear children, in page number 6, I will teach you about long and short. So, you can see the heading is L-O-N-G long, A-N-D and S-H-O-R-T short. So, you can see in this topic that I am going to explain you that how you can recognize that this is the long and this is the short. Whenever anything in the size, the very big, so you can see this is the long, and when the small, you can say the short. So you can see here, this is the picture of giraffe. Giraffe, you can see this is long, especially you can see the neck, this is long. A G-I-R-A-F-F-E giraffe, I-S is L-O-N-G long. A giraffe is long. Why? Because the size of the giraffe is very big. Now, a B-O-O-T boot, I-S is L-O-N-G long. You can see in this picture this boot size. This is the boot size is very long because very big size is this. So this is long. Now you can see here a F-O-X fox, I-S is S-H-O-R-T short. You can see the fox size is very small. So this is short. A fox is short. So now here a S-H-O-E shoe, I-S is S-H-O-R-T short. A shoe is short. You can see the shoe, the size is small. So this is short. So long, short, long, short. Long opposite is short. Now you can see here in page number 6 what is given, T-I-C-K, tick. Now T-H-E the, T-A-L-L tall, O-B-J-E-C-T object. Tick the tall object. You will have to find it that whichever picture is tall, whichever object is tall, you will have to tick. You can see there are two pictures. This is the duck, but the size is short, and this duck size is big. So this is tall. So which picture you will tick? You will tick this picture because this is tall. Now you can see here, this is the picture of mushroom. So you can see in this mushroom size is short, very small, and this mushroom size is big, tall. So which one is the tall? Which mushroom is the tall? This big. This mushroom is the tall. So we will take this one. Okay. So like this you will complete page number 6. Now the next is, you can see, I would like to show you that how you will recognize the long and the short. You can see here, this is the tree, but this is long, and this tree is short. You will have to see the size. So when very big size, so this is long. Very small, so this is short. Now the next is, in this also you can see the cake size. So this is long, but this cake is short. Now next I would like to teach you page number 7. You can see this is the page number 7 is written here. Now in this page number 7, the heading is FAT, fat, AND and THIN, thin, fat and thin. So you will have to that I am going to explain you that how you will recognize any picture, any object, that this is the fat and this is thin. So you can see here, this the man is fat, but this man is thin. When anything, the size, you can see this is fat, this is thin. You will have to see the size. Now you can see here TICK, tick, THE, the, ONE, one, WHICH, which, IS is THIN, thin, CIRCLE, circle, THE, the, ONE, one, WHICH, which, IS is FAT, fat. Tick the one which is thin, circle the one which is fat. In this topic you will have to do two things. Thin object you will have to tick and the fat you will have to circle. So you can see in this picture, this is thin, so we will tick, but this is fat. So what you will do? You will circle like this. You will have to complete page number 7. Now in this picture you can see this boy is fat, but this boy is thin. Fat, thin, fat, thin. Now in this cat you can see there are two cats. This is thin, you will have to see the size, but this cat is fat. So like this, whenever you will get any object, either any object or anything, you will have to see the size. Now you can see there are two monkeys. So this is fat, 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 and this is thin, THIN, thin. So fat, thin, fat opposite, thin is this. So now in this picture you can also see this is this girl, she is thin, but this girl, she is fat. Now I would like to teach you page number is, you can see here, this is the page number 8. Now children, take out the page number 8 maths book, and the topic name is LONG, long, SHORT, short, long, short. So now I am going to explain you that how you will recognize any object, that is the long and the short. Now you can see here this snake is short, 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 but this pencil is long, LONG, long. So short, the long, short, the size is small, but the long, the length is the large. So short, here short opposite you can see here the long. When the size is very small you can say short, and the length is very that large you can say long. Now this snake is short, this pencil is LONG, long. Now this snake is long. You can see in this picture snake is LONG, long, and this is short, SHORT, short pencil. Now some more you can see here in this picture also, this is long snake, but this is short snake. Now so What is written here? Touch, touch, the, long, snake, snake. Now, which one is the long snake? You can see this is the long snake. Now, the next is, you can see here there are two pencils. This is long, long, and this is short, short. This pencil is long and this pencil is short. Now, this is the page number. You will take out everyone fast. Page number is 8. Page number 8 is given. COLOUR, color, the, OBJECT, object, THAT, that, IS is SHORT, are shorter. Color the object that is shorter. You can see which object is the shorter. You can see this object is the shorter. So you will feel color, and in this picture this object is the shorter because the size is the small. So you will feel the color. Now in this page, the same page, page number 8 is given. The next one is this. You can see what is this? COLOUR, color, the, OBJECT, object, THAT, that, IS is LONGER, longer. Color the object that is longer. Whichever the longer object is this, you will have to feel the color. So which object is the longer? This object. So you will feel color, and this you can feel the color in this object. You will have to feel the color because this is the longer object. So dear students, like this you will have to complete page number 6, page number 7 and page number 8 in your maths book. Thank you.